I can honestly never thought I would say this, but I am actually obsessed with hot yoga and hot Pilates. As I age and I get older, I get more stiff. And if I can't make it to the gym, which I try to do regularly, I love being able to stretch at home. These are so handy. They are 9x6x3, but my favorite part is they have this built-in grip. So if you're doing anything where you need pressure and relying on them, sometimes it's a little bit hard to stabilize on a yoga block if you're using it for strength. This makes such a difference. I'm so impressed. I use these a lot for aiding in stretching when my flexibility just isn't quite where I wanted it to be. But the best part about this set is it comes with these very cool bonuses. So you do get also the stretching band. As I'm increasing in flexibility over time, this really helps to elongate my stretching. So super helpful. My daughters steal this all the time. It's fantastic for muscle rollout and any tension that you have. I don't know why this works so much better than a tennis ball. I think it's because it's that texture on it. But anyways, rubbing it into any sore or tight muscles really does make a difference. And then in addition to that, it does come with a lot of these TheraBand styles. I would say the extra heavy has a bit of tension all the way down to the extra light. Not so much. I don't know who these are for, but I do like that it comes in 5 different options and those are available as well. Overall, if you're on the fence with this, I love this. To me, the entire difference maker is that they're so much easier to grip, but they're well made, EVA, sturdy, strong, standard size. If you're on the fence with these, I think they're a no-brainer. Hope that helps.